Hi everyone, Crystal here from Home Cooking with Crystal. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious, simple, and cheesy macaroni dish with chicken mince. It's quick, flavorful, and can be enjoyed either as a snack or a full meal. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients you'll need: 500 grams of elbow macaroni, 500 grams of chicken mince, 1 finely chopped onion, 250 grams of cheddar cheese, 5 tablespoons of pasta sauce, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. First, in a large pan, bring water to a boil. Now add 500 grams of elbow macaroni. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and a dash of oil to prevent the macaroni from sticking, and cook on medium heat until it's al dente. This should take about 8 to 10 minutes. Remember not to overcook the macaroni as we want it firm. While the macaroni is cooking, let's save time by grating our cheddar cheese. We need 250 grams of grated cheese for that perfect cheesy flavor. Set it aside for later. Once the macaroni is cooked, strain the water and add a little oil to prevent it from sticking together. Set it aside. In a pan, heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add 1 finely chopped onion and saute for a couple of minutes until they soften. Now add 500 grams of chicken mince, season with 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper powder. Cook this on medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally until the chicken is fully cooked and golden brown. Now that everything is ready, it's time to bring it all together. In a large bowl, add the cooked macaroni. To this, add the cooked chicken mince. One teaspoon of chili flakes, one teaspoon of oregano, and 5 tablespoons of pasta sauce. Mix everything together until it's well combined. Now add the grated cheese to the mixture and stir again until the cheese melts into the macaroni. Making it wonderfully creamy and cheesy. And now it's time to plate. Serve your macaroni and cheese in a dish. And for that extra cheesy goodness, sprinkle a little more cheddar cheese on top. And that's it. Your super easy cheesy macaroni and chicken dish is ready. Whether you are grabbing a quick bite or making it a full meal, this recipe has you covered. Hope you love making it as much as I did, and let me know by commenting below how many of you tried it out. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Home Cooking with Crystal for more easy and delicious recipes. See you next time. Happy cooking!